You're going to see proportions in a lot of different math classes and applications. This one is just a basic proportion from an algebra class, but you do them all the same way. We do these by cross multiplying. A lot of people like to do them with guess and check, but if the answer doesn't just magically appear, you got to have a strategy. Cross multiplication is that strategy. So we're going to take 3 times the quantity x plus 4 and set that equal to 2 times x. 3 times x plus 4 equals 2x. Very common mistake people make is they do not group up the x plus 4. And if they do that, they would just have 3x plus 4, no parentheses, and then they would miss this part, which means you got to do this distributive property. So 3 times everything would be 3x plus 12, and that is still equals 2x. Now subtract 3x from both sides. We end up with 12 equals negative 1x. Now divide everything by negative 1, and you get negative 12 equals x. That is a correct answer.